Wow, Bal Bhavan, it's amazing!
It sure is. Ready to explore?
Yeah, I want to see the rockets!
We'll see everything. Let's go.
And the aquarium too?
Everything, sweetie.
Wow, a train! Can we ride it?
Of course, let's go.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Whoa, look at the water.
It's splashing us! Yeah! Wow, this is so fun!
Hold on, here comes the tunnel.
Whoa, water splash! This is magical!
What an adventure. Spin around, up we go.
Higher, higher, then landed, yay!
We're Explorer Bird Ray.
Yeah, yeah! Faster, hold on tight!
They're having so much fun. Drifting on this sparkling.
Green like the fun we'll make this today.
When
We are them on our boat, we'll light the way. Hooray! That was so much fun!
Yeah, the aquarium was the best.
It was great. See you next time.
We definitely will.
See you next time!
Bye!